Hey guys, this is how to remove card in Apple Pay wallet on iPhone. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go ahead and open up your Apple wallet. And from here, you should be able to see all of your cards and just simply go ahead and tap on it. And guys, I won't be able to show you, but if you do, just simply tap on the card that you want to remove. And after that, on the top right corner of the screen, you should be able to see the three dots icon. And from there, guys, a pop-up will show up and just simply tap on pass details, and from there, once you tap on that, you'll be able to see at the very bottom, remove pass. And from there, you should be able to remove your card. And after that, a pop-up will show up down below and just simply tap on remove. And from there, you'll be able to remove it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.